So here we have the Sweetcrispy gaming chair. Now in this video, I'm gonna unbox it, show you how to put it together, and then I'll give you a quick review. And here's all the parts laid out for you. Not too many pieces here, so it should be pretty simple to assemble. So let's go ahead and get started, and I'm going to use this timer to see how long it takes. First, we're going to put the metal base together. Just slide on all 5 of these legs to the star-shaped piece, and then screw it together using 2 of the short screws on each leg. Then we can pop in all these casters, flip it over, and drop in the gas strut. Then we're going to take the bottom seat cushion, flip it over, and attach this piece with the adjustment lever. It's pretty easy to line this up because both pieces have a sticker on them indicating which side is the front. Anyway, then we can just drop that onto the base, and then attach these armrest pieces. They take 2 screws on each side to attach them to the seat, then slide on the backrest and screw it onto one side. Then we can cap all these screw holes with these plugs, and then to finish it off, flip it over to the other side and put in the final couple screws and plugs. Alright, and there we go, it's all put together, pretty simple, and it took just under 15 minutes. It's made of this nice soft faux leather, nice thick foam cushion on the bottom as well as the back, and there's also some thin cushions on the armrests, that's nice. And you can also fold them up and out of the way. Nice metal base, just these standard cheap casters though. First impressions on comfort, it's nice and comfy. Of course you can move it up and down with this lever, and you can also pull the lever out so you can rock back a little bit. Overall, it's a super simple chair, but it looks nice and it's comfortable.